INNOVV 7K7 Motorcycle Dashcam Review, 2K Dual Camera Real Test, and Honest Results. Picture this. You are sitting at a red light, completely calm, when a driver cuts directly across your path without a single glance in your direction. Your stomach drops. You swerve hard. The moment lasts 3 seconds, but the questions linger for days. Who would believe you? What proof do you have? And here is the thing. Motorcycle riders face these situations constantly, yet most are riding with zero documentation protection. No footage, no GPS trail, no verifiable record of anything at all. Whether it is a near miss during rush hour, an overnight parking lot bump nobody claims, or a slow hit and run that disappears before you can react, the absence of recorded evidence leaves you completely exposed, both financially and legally. Sound familiar? Drop a comment if something like this has happened to you on the road. The quiet tension of riding completely unprotected builds slowly over time in ways most riders never fully acknowledge. It sits in the back of your mind every time you park somewhere unfamiliar. It tightens your focus when traffic becomes unpredictable and chaotic. Riders who try action cameras discover an entirely new layer of frustration waiting for them. Batteries die somewhere in the middle of a long ride. Manual recording means the camera is not rolling when the actual incident happens. A single forward-facing lens captures nothing from behind, missing the vehicle that rear-ended you completely. Some riders rely on a phone mount and a recording app and hope everything stays running. It rarely does when it genuinely counts. Hours of storage management, constant recharging, missed clips, and still no reliable guarantee the footage survived. The whole process quietly steals the enjoyment out of riding, which nobody signed up for. Then everything changed when I discovered the INNOVV K7 Motorcycle Dashcam. Don't just pick any motorcycle dashcam. Make sure it has dual 2K resolution combined with EIS, electronic image stabilization, so you never suffer through blurry, vibration-ruined footage that is completely useless as evidence again. The INNOVV K7 is a permanently wired, dual-channel recording system engineered specifically for motorcycles from the ground up, not adapted from car dashcam technology or repurposed action cameras. It powers on automatically with your ignition, records front and rear simultaneously in sharp 2K clarity, and operates continuously without any manual input from you whatsoever. If you have ever wished your motorcycle could genuinely look after itself while you simply focus on riding, this is worth your full attention right now. Let me explain what daily riding actually feels like when the INNOVV K7 is running quietly in the background. The front and rear Sony Starvis IMX335 sensors record 2K footage sharp enough to clearly read license plates at several car lengths, which matters enormously the moment a dispute arises. The f1.8 aperture keeps images clean and detailed even during tunnel transitions and low-light evening commutes. EIS smooths out the handlebar vibration that typically makes motorcycle footage look shaky and unprofessional on playback. The 10 Hz GPS module logs your precise speed and route in real time, creating a fully verifiable record that syncs visually with your footage directly inside the INNOVV app. An expert review from Ultimate Motorcycling confirmed the K7 performs reliably and consistently across demanding real-world conditions. A touring writer shared that the 24-hour Sentry mode automatically captured a parking lot incident and saved exactly the 30-second protected clip needed for their insurance claim. The honest limitation is installation time. It requires an afternoon of patient cable routing. But once correctly wired, riders consistently describe the experience as simply always on and always working. Does automatic continuous protection finally sound better than hoping you remembered to press record? The INNOVV K7 Motorcycle Dashcam turns every single ride into a fully documented GPS-verified journey with automatic front and rear protection running quietly in the background without any effort from you. Thousands of daily commuters, long-distance tourers, and motorcycle vloggers already rely on it as their permanent fire-and-forget safety system every time they ride. Results may naturally vary depending on your installation setup and riding environment. This video contains affiliate links, and a commission may be earned at no extra cost to you. The affiliate link is waiting in the description and pinned comment below. Explore it, verify compatibility with your specific bike, and make your decision with genuine confidence today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.